Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to change date and time on this laptop. First, right click date time icon on your status bar, then select adjust date and time, then to set time manually, switch the toggle to the left, next to set time automatically option, then click change right here. Now expand on one of these lists and select the value that you need, both for date and time, and to apply changes click change. Now I recommend only using this feature in case your automatic time setter doesn't work properly, because if you set the incorrect date and time values on your computer, you will make many online services like Google, for example, unavailable because they require date and time to be correct. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.